was able for us to be born again, I would come as the last born, because this firstborn stuff is nonsense, man. It's nonsense. This firstborn stuff is nonsense. If we can be born again, I would like to be a lastborn. I would like to be a lastborn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Teresa and welcome to my non-aesthetic but very relatable life. Today is a maintenance day and honestly I'm really happy about it because we need to get groomed. It's Vlogtober day 5, and if you haven't already, make sure you watch the other 4 videos of the Vlogtober series. We're about to get groomed, and the first stop is to get my hair done, to get my locks retightened. It's been about 6 weeks since I've gotten my hair retightened, and it's time, okay? I just made a quick pit stop to the Jamaican food store to grab some breakfast. I got some ackee and saltfish. I love ackee and saltfish. So I got some ackee and saltfish just so I could eat, you know, belly full and everything, and go and get my maintenance. After that, we're gonna do our nails. Not my nails, I don't know why I'm doing this. Our toes. I don't really do my nails anymore because I'm a tech girly. I work in tech. I don't know if some of you guys don't know, but I work in tech. And so long nails get in the way. I'm on the computer all day. So I just do my toes, but I might just get a little shellac just to make them a little more presentable, a little gel. We'll see. But we're gonna go do my toes, we're gonna go do my hair, then we're gonna run some errands before we come back home, and that's gonna be today's vlog. So let's go get the hair retied. Let's go get these locks did, looking fresh and clean. Something about a fresh retie just makes you feel like you can conquer the world, and I'm ready for that feeling. I'm already late for my appointment. I was supposed to be there at 10. It's 9:40, but she texted me and told me that she was gonna be late, and so that's why I came to get breakfast, but now I'm gonna be late. So let's do our best to get there at an appropriate time. But anywho, let me just drive and I'll check in when we get there. Let's go get our hair done.
Holding like an anchor, guarding from the danger. I do it 'cause you're mine. All we've got is favor. Show you something greater, give you better life. Tell me how to be your aid. I just wanna be your shelter. Run into my arms, I'll be. On dark days, your light. Out in the water, I'm a harbor. Like a haven in the night. Space, I'll feel as your partner. With the moon and stars alike. Holding like an anchor, guarding from the danger. I do it 'cause you're mine. All we've got is favor. Show you something greater, give you better life.
Alrighty. Okay, I am ready. Alright, so we are done. Hair is freshly retied, definitely growing, looking clean, looking fresh. Love that for me. Now let's go get the toes done.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you.
Alright, so we just got done with the toes. Like I said, I don't do my nails because I work in tech and I'm on the computer all day, and long nails just get in the way. So I just keep them normal. It's a little boring though, so sometimes I will get the press-on nails, the really short ones from Kiss. I think it's Kiss. The really short ones from Kiss from Walmart, and I'll do that when I want a little flair. I might do that today because I am going to Walmart. But the toes are cute. I got a blue. White had me in a chokehold for like 2 years. I did my toes white for 2 years straight, and then I was like, no, I'm not doing that anymore. I almost did white today, but I broke out of it. I was like, no, I said I'm not gonna do it, so I'm not gonna do it. So I did this cute little blue. Even though summer's over, it'll give me that cute summer feel. Our list is coming down, so I have 2 more stops to make. I need to go to Walmart, and then I need to go to Sephora. Sephora, I need to go because I need to get my deodorant. I use glycolic acid as my deodorant. That's the only thing that works for me. Everything else irritates me. I get contact dermatitis whenever I put on any deodorant. Natural, safe, no aluminum, all of them. The only thing that works for me is glycolic acid, the ordinary. I saw that the Inky List has the glycolic acid in a bar form, like a deodorant bar form, so I want to get that and try it, because usually I just wipe it with the toner, but if there's a bar, I might just get it that way. So I need to go to Sephora and pick that up. The mall is very close to here, so I'm just gonna rush and get that. I'm hoping I could just get one thing. That's the thing about Sephora. Going to the mall on a Saturday at 2 p.m. is real risky, because you're going in for one thing and you could be in line for like 30 minutes, but I'm hoping that I can just grab and go and pick it up. Sometimes they have in Sephora those girls that are checking out, like people that just have one thing. So I'm hoping I can see one of them because I really need it. I'm out of glycolic acid, so I have to go. So I'm just gonna go and pick it up. I need glasses to drive. I'm just gonna go and pick it up, dash in, dash out, and then I'm gonna make a stop at the Walmart by my house, and then I should be okay. I need to go. My husband has a birthday dinner to attend today from one of his work colleagues, and I think he's leaving at 6, so I have about 4 hours to get home. But I want to get home early because I didn't see him today. When I was leaving, he was asleep, so I want to get home and have enough time to like see him and spend time with him. I miss my husband, okay? And so I need to go and do everything so that I can see him in time. Yeah, let's go to Sephora to pick up one thing and then go to Walmart so we can get home at a reasonable time. Let's go.
Talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm...
Alright guys, so we did it. I was able to go to Sephora and get one thing. I was tempted, but I did not fall into my temptations. I did not give into my... I was listening to that before I left. So yeah, I was tempted, but I did not give in to my temptations. Did not allow my temptations to overcome me. So I was able to get it. Last stop is Walmart. But there's a plot twist in our day. I need to go pick up my mom from work and take her home. Because, and get this, she gave her able-bodied car to my little sister to drive around for the day. And I just want to know why God sent me as a firstborn. Why couldn't I be sent as a lastborn? Because the privileges that lastborns get is beyond me. Imagine my mother giving her car to her youngest daughter to go and drive around and enjoy, and then being stranded at work. In my day. And my sister just started driving. She's literally like 17 years old. She got her license like 2 weeks ago. New driver, got her license 2 weeks ago. And she was able to convince my mom to give her her car and be stranded at work. In my day, I wouldn't even attempt to ask. I wouldn't even attempt to ask my mom to give me her car so that she has no way to get home. I wouldn't, because how dare I? But my sister not only asked, but she got it. If it was able for us to be born again, I would come as a last born, because this firstborn stuff is nonsense, man. It's nonsense. This firstborn stuff is nonsense. If we can be born again, I would like to be a last born. I would like to be a last born. Anywho, I'm about to go to Walmart for our final stop. Gotta pick up a few makeup goodies, drugstore makeup goodies that I'm not willing to spend a lot on at Sephora, so I just get them from Walmart, and then that will complete our day. Then I'll go pick her up, take her home, finally spend some time with my husband, and then see what we can get into for the night.
Someone told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity.
Hey, I'm back. I spent $50 at Walmart. Did I anticipate spending $50 today at Walmart? No, I didn't. But here we are, $50 later. So we're done. All of our errands of the day are done. We did our hair, we did our toes, we got our stuff from Sephora, and we got our goodies from Walmart. We're done for the day. I'm going to go and pick up my mom and take her home. I don't know if I'm going to end here or if I'm going to show y'all the rest of my Saturday. All I'm really going home to do is cook. My man is so helpful. He cleaned the whole house, so the cleaning is done and the laundry is done. All I gotta do is the cooking. So I don't know if I'm gonna show that. This might be the end, or maybe it's not. We don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. If I'm feeling like still recording, then we'll record. If I'm not, then we'll stop here. But anywho, our errands are done. Thank you for joining me on my maintenance day. Let me just do an ending here, just in case we end here. So thank you for joining me on my maintenance day. We got everything we needed done. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and tune in for tomorrow's vlog, because this is Vlogtober, baby, and we are posting every single day. Comment, let me know what you think about the video. Comment, let me know something that you saw that you liked, something you related to in the video, and let me know what you want to see for the rest of the month. Thank you, love you, bye.